My name is Mariam and I study in grade 5. Today I am going to show you a presentation on parts of speech. So there are 8 kinds of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, interjection, adverbs, verbs, and conjunctions and prepositions. So the first part of speech I am going to tell you about is noun. A noun can be a name, place, animal, or thing. For example, George is a name, Georgia is a place, giraffe is an animal, and glue is a thing. The second part of speech I'm going to tell you about is an adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is any word that comes before a noun or any other word. For example, small, ball, beautiful girl, and there are also many other words for example. The third part of speech I'm going to tell you about is interjection. What is interjection? An interjection is a word or expression that occurs as a word on its own and expresses a feeling or reaction. The fourth part of speech is adverbs. An adverb is an action word in which the word ends with ly or ly. For example, quietly, rarely, shyly, etc. The fifth part of speech I'm going to tell you about is a verb. Verb is a word used to describe an action. For example, playing, hear or hearing, sleep or sleeping, eat or eating, etc. The sixth part of speech I'm going to tell you about is conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate words in the same clause. The seventh part of speech is preposition. A preposition is any word like in, out, inside or outside, etc. that expresses where an object, animal or thing is. The last part of speech is pronoun. Pronoun can be a word that can be used instead of a name. Instead of using a name, you can use pronoun. He, it, they. And that was all about parts of speech. Thank you.